In example 9, we're going to find some roots. In part A, we want the cube root of 27, and 27 is a perfect cube. The cube root of 27 is 3, because 3 cubed, which is 3 times 3 times 3, is 27. In part B, we have a decimal. We've got 0.04. And I find when I'm working with decimals, sometimes it's a little bit easier to see what this root should be if I write it as a fraction. So this is the square root of 4 over 100. And so I could see that this is going to be a perfect square because both 4 and 100 are perfect squares. So we can actually split up a radical over division. This is the square root of 4 over the square root of 100. And we get 2/10, or 0.2. You could also see that the square root of 0.04 is 0.2 because 0.2 squared, which is 0.2 times 0.2, is 0.04. In part C, we want the cube root of -8. Now, negative numbers will have odd roots. So the cube root here, because this is odd, the cube root of -8 does exist as a real number. And the cube root of regular old +8 is 2. So the cube root of -8 is -2, and we can convince ourselves of this because -2 cubed is -2 times -2 times -2, which is 4 times -2, or -8.